Max has come back to town for a couple of days. He is glad to see Tom. They decided to have a walk and do something unusual. Today, our friends will go to the tallest building in the city. Tom and Max haven't been to it yet, so they are looking forward to seeing the city from a bird's eye view. Our friends want to learn a lot of interesting things and take beautiful photos, so they will soon climb not just the tallest building in London, but also in Europe. Look, there it is, right in front of us. It's the Shard, 32 London Bridge Street. The tallest business centre in the city is 310 metres high. It's nicknamed the Splinter because it's shaped like a tall glass pyramid with jagged edges. The centre was opened in 2012. It shines in the sun because of the thousands of glass panels that make it so bright and beautiful. The skyscraper has 72 floors with offices, apartments, gardens, and technical rooms. Tom and Max can see huge crowds of tourists waiting to get inside. Our friends want to see the city from a bird's eye view too, so they go inside to get to the observation deck. While our heroes go up in a modern lift to the 72nd floor, we will get acquainted with the words and phrases that will be useful today in our lesson. Learn these words: recommendation, number of floors, height, complete, climb, steps, distance, 310 meters. Just look at the flying aeroplanes and helicopters. Our friends are the happiest people to be there. They know that the view from the London Shard is almost twice the height of any other viewing platform available in the city. Thousands of tourists dream of visiting the bright and colourful floors of this skyscraper. It's great to have a meal in the fine restaurants with delicious cuisine, including one of the most famous restaurants, serving national British food. Our friends have had a great time. Do you know any high buildings in your area? Have you ever seen your place from a bird's eye view? We wish our friends a safe journey home. And now let's practice using the new words and expressions